Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag technology tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to install and configure Odoo 18 ERP installation with the PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So first question is that what is Odoo? Odoo is the open source then all-in-one business management software, that is the ERP. So that helps companies to manage the sales, accounting, inventory, HR, manufacturing, and more in one platform. So Odoo is built with Python and PostgreSQL, and modular is the install only the apps you need. And edition free community editions are available, and paid enterprise edition is also available. So access, how do we access the Odoo? So we can access with the web based with the mobile support, and gold centralize and automate business process. So next prerequisites are there. Before starting, ensure you have a phrase Ubuntu server. So I'm already using the Ubuntu server. My Ubuntu server is running with a VMware workstation, and Ubuntu version is 24.04 LTS. Okay. So let me access my server. So SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.1.7. So this is my server. So I'm logged in with my server. I'm just running with the side by side. So and root and sudo access, we already in root access. So we have a root access and basic terminal knowledge. Okay. Next, my server IP is 192.168.1.1. Okay. And we have 2 GB RAM and 20 GB of hard disk. We have, so these things are prerequisites are there. So as per now, August 30th and 2025, the latest version, stable version Udo is 18. 19 is going to be expected on September 2025. So we are working with the Odoo 18. So now I'm this guide used for the PostgreSQL 16, which is the default on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll install via the terminal. We have a terminal access, and we'll just access the local machine with the SSH secure socket host and username. My username is DPT, and this is the IP address. So we are already accessed. So now move to the step one. For the step one, update and upgrade the system packages. So I'm going to update the system packages. After that, we'll just upgrade the system packages. So apt update refresh the list of the available packages. Whatever the packages available for this system, it will update. And second is upgrade. So upgrade install the latest version. Okay. So minus y we are giving for the auto confirms prompts. So this will take me some time. So this is completed. Now move to the step two. Sorry. So step two, install the required dependency. So Odoo required Python, various libraries and tools for the building the running the installation at one time. So this is the all the files I have created. So just run, uh, just paste and install that. So here we are installing the wget, git, Python 3 py, Python 3 development, and Python 3 this thing, and npm node-less. So all the things are we are installing there. So after installing, we'll install the additional Node.js tool. So 72% is completed. So this will include the Python 3.1.12 that is default with the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and development libraries for XML, images, databases, etc. And npm for the css processing. Odoo 18 needs the python 3.10 plus, and so we are just installing the 3.12 is fine for us. So we'll check the python after installing. So we need more version should be after 3.10 plus. Okay, let it complete. So this is going to be complete. Okay, completed. So now I'm going to install the additional node.js. Verify the python version. So we are using the 3.12.3. So this is more than 10. So this is fine for us. Now move to the step 3. On step 3, we'll installing the WKHTML to PDF for the PDF reporting. So it will whenever we'll export the PDF and we'll send a mail in the PDF, so it will generate the PDF and it will send. For that, we are going to install this. Okay, so this is done. Now I am creating the symbolic link. Done. N- So WK to PDF converts HTML to PDF. This version is the Ubuntu 24.04. The version will be 0.12.6 is compatible with the Udo 18. So you can check with the version. So more than that we need so 0.12.6. So next move to the step 4. Then install and configure the PostgreSQL 16. So PostgreSQL 16 PostgreSQL is the Odoo database backend and Ubuntu 24.04 include the version of 16 by default. So no need to add the repository and no need to change the source list. So directly I'm going to install the Postgres 16. Okay, completed. Now I'm going to enable the service and start the service. Done. So enable the service means whenever the system will boot, restart, so automatically the PostgreSQL will start. Now check the status. So running. Okay. You can able to check this is running. Okay. So Q exit this from this point. Now create a PostgreSQL user for the Odoo and switch to the PostgreSQL user. So go to the Postgres user and here we are creating the user and database. So password admin at the rate 123 admin at the rate 123. So now exit. So PostgreSQL runs as the Postgres user, system user. We create the super user Odoo 18 that can create the database required for the Odoo. Use a secure password you will need to later. So we are using the admin at the rate 123. This is for the testing purpose. For the production, use the some secure strong password. Verify the PostgreSQL version. So this is 16.9 I think. Yeah, 16.9 running with the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. And next move to the step 5. There is a create the system user for the Odoo for the security and run Odoo under the dedicated user, not the root. So creating user. So this create the user Odoo 18 with the home directory and where you can find the slash opt slash Odoo 18 where you will install the Odoo. So next in the step 6 install the Odoo 18 from the source, switch to the Odoo 18 user. Now clone the repository, git clone, github. So this is done. Now move to the next. So create and activate the Python virtual environment. Source will be environment of this. So this is my environment. Upgrade the pipe and install the dependencies. Install pipe will, and from the requirement.txt file install the requirements for Odoo 18. Okay, requirement.txt installation is done. Now I am going to deactivate the virtual environment and exit from the Odoo. So we install the Odoo on the opt/Odoo 18/Odoo 18. The virtual environment isolates Python packages, and requirement.txt install all the needed library we have included on the requirement.txt file. Example, py Postgres 2 for the PostgreSQL. Now move to the step 7. There we'll configure the Odoo. So create a configuration file for the Odoo. Now paste the below configuration. There where the admin password, then db host, db port, db name, and db user and db password and add-on path. We are just adding opt odoo/add-ons and port 8069 we are running. Save this one. Now set the password for the user. I'm going to set the password for that. PostgreSQL, connect the database. Okay, database is not created. Okay, wait for a minute. We'll just create this one. Remove this one code from here and the service will do. Okay, so we are in configuration part. So configuration is done. Now give the permission and change the mode. So control Q. I'm not working with this. So now done this one. Change ownership and change permission. Create a directory for the custom add-ons. Optional but good practice. So create the custom add-ons. Give the ownership. So this is a configuration file that tell you the Odoo where you find the add-ons, database detail, and the port where the default port is 8069. The admin password is for the database management in the Odoo. Set the something strong. So we are using the admin @123. This is for the testing purpose. You should use some strong password for that. So create a symbolic service for the Odoo and run as the service. So create the service. Username, password, and target we have given. Control X, Y. Now reload the system D, start and enable. Run this all the commands. Done. Now check the status. Okay. So running fine. We are seeing the active and running. If you want to see the log, then you can run this command and you can see the log and set the password. Now we are going to set the password. Odoo 18/dt. You can check. There is a too many tables are there. Okay. So this is created. Now I'm going to set the check the user for the admin. This ID is equal to 2. You can check. So for the login ID is equal to 2. I'm going to set the password for the admin and we'll access the admin from the web UI. So update admin at the rate 123. So updated. Now exit. Done. Allow the port for the Odoo. Firewall is enabled then. So firewall is disabled, but we are adding the port number. If enable also, this will work. In step 7, step 9, test the installation. So for the URL, you can open this. In this URL, you can find the Odoo ERP. So opening her email address, but my username is admin for now and password is admin at the rate now 123. Just now we'll set this password. So open there. There is too many apps are there, just like sales, restaurant, invoicing, CRM tool, and MRP, website, inventory, accounting, and too many tools are there. Okay, you can connect, you can activate which one you want. Just like I'm going to activate the account sales. Okay, so loading. Wait for few minutes. And whatever you want you can use, just like a project is there, point of sale is there, e-commerce, manufacturing, time sheets, and expenses studio. So data recovery, centralize employee information and maintenance, help desk. So track support tickets. So sign documentation, sign online, quality. So planning employee schedule, manage the employee schedule, event. So too many things are there. Live chat, marketing automation. So employee contacts. Then this one Amazon connector, view IP call or using view IP, voice over IP call. So IP phone call, you can go. Barcode is there. So now I'm going to for the sales. Just check with one by one. This is a discussion page. I'm moving to sales. So these are the sales order. You can able to see. Next, dashboard. Sale dashboard is there. And if you go into the apps, you can just like activate restaurant also. Hmm. Okay, let it complete. Okay, completed. Now move to point in cell. Discussion is there. Dashboard. So sale, product, invoicing. You can check with the invoice. Notepad here. You can print. Automatically this will convert with the PDF. So this is the PDF. Continue and check PDF is converted or not. So we are using the tool for that. So this is downloaded and this is the PDF. So we can download the PDF, and if you want to send the PDF for the email address, then automatically PDF will be added there, converted there for the adding, and total details will be there. So this is the easy tool. So in this video we have learned Odoo 18 ERP installation with the Postgres 16 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and this is a requirement for the some of the subscriber. So step by step process we have given, and this is a success for the page, and there is some prerequisites are there. So you have to go through that, and additional notes you can read these notes. So it will give you the clarity about that. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.